Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to make authentic Gujarati special recipe which is known as Khandvi. Khandvi is a soft savory snack made of gram flour which is known as Besan atta and sour yogurt and tightly rolled into delicate layers. The key to perfect melt-in-mouth Khandvi lies in getting the extra 1:3 ratio of flour to liquid and stirring continuously to prevent any lumps. Ingredient needed for this Khandvi recipe: we need 1 cup of Besan atta which is known as gram flour. Next we need 1 cup of sour curd yogurt or dahi. Next we need for batter 2 cups of water. Next fresh green coriander leaves, green chilies paste and ginger garlic paste. In spices we need for tempering mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 8 to 10, green chilies paste. First step is to whisk the batter in a large bowl. Whisk the besan atta or gram flour. Add yogurt together into a smooth paste without lumps. Add ginger garlic paste, green chilies paste, turmeric powder and salt. Add water, mix thoroughly into thin watery consistency. Next step is to cook this mixture. Strain the batter through the sieve directly into heavy bottom pan, non-stick pan, to catch any stray lumps. Turn the heat to low to high medium heat. Stir the mixture continuously using the flat spatula. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the batter turns thick, glossy and leaves the side of the pan. Next step is very important step. Spread the small spoonful of hot batter onto the back of ungreased steel plate. Let it cool for 1 minute. After cool down, try to roll it up. If it rolls easily without sticking, your batter is perfectly cooked. If it is sticky, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Work quickly before the mixture cools down. Pour large dollop of hot paste onto the back of large steel plate or a clean, smooth kitchen countertop. Spread the batter as thinly and evenly as possible using flat spatula or dough scraper. Let it cool completely for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use sharp knife to slice the sheet into 2-inch wide vertical strips. Carefully lift the edges of strip and roll it tightly into the clean cylinder. Place the roll on a serving plate. Repeat the same process to make the rolls and keep it on the plate. Spread the remaining batter on the other plate. Spread is as batter as thinly and evenly as possible using flat spatula. Let it cool completely. Use knife to slice the sheet into 2-inch wide vertical strips. After cutting with knife, carefully lift the edges of strips and roll it tightly into the clean cylinders. Do not grease the plate with oil before spreading the batter. An oil surface will cause the batter to slip and slide, making it impossible to spread thinly. Arrange your roll khandvi on a clean separate serving plate before adding the hot tadka. Is the best way to keep them looking beautiful and professional. Use flat thin spatula to gently lift each roll from the spreading plate. Next step is to prepare the hot tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in small tempering pan on medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds 1 tablespoon and let them fully crackle. Drop in 8 to 10 curry leaves. Also the ginger garlic paste. Few sliced green chilies. Turn off the heat and add a pinch of hing. Pour this mixture. Use the spoon to drizzle the hot oil and spread evenly across all the rolls on the plate. Add fresh green chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Fry it. Immediately top with freshly grated coconut or coriander leaves so they stick to the warm oil. Add this hot tadka perfectly. You need to pour the hot aromatic oil evenly over the rolls so that every bite gets the bit of crunch. If you like this thin, smooth, delicious Gujarati style khandvi, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.